the same time, your example points to the solution. We know the world is complex. We know that complexity over time only rises. It doesn't actually drop. Things will not get simpler. Our devices will become more capable. The speed of communication, the speed of action, all those things will become better and faster. Even if we say AI, let's say magically tomorrow, it happens to become 100% accurate in everything it does. Is that going to solve any problem for us? No, it's only going to magnify the challenge that we face, because we have to then react fast, understand things. We have to do all those things. And the pathway to that, the ability to sort of navigate that problem, comes to us now. The more the world becomes automated, the more the human factor becomes the critical point of both failure and success. Which means that we can't hope to end up in the future if we don't level up in the present. And how do we do that? Well, the only thing that actually, the only skill we have, the only thing that makes us different to anything else on the planet is our ability to use our cognitive capabilities to understand things better, make better decisions, and make better critical choices instead of being reactive all the time. And that can only be learned from us. It's just a personal thing. It's personal growth. We need to become better people. Simple as that. You say, well, does that mean? It means that you don't overreact when you see something you don't understand. You take time to understand, and you take time to understand complexities. You take time to develop the skills that you need in order to be able to navigate what you see better in terms of information. And there's a million problems we can bring up now. We can bring up the speed of communication across the globe, where everything happens so fast, we don't have the necessary ability to process it. And we need to be able to slow ourselves down and try to understand it. We can bring up things that context collapse, where we see things taken out of context immediately and from different cultures sometimes. Even if we say something happening in the United Kingdom, something happening in Italy, something happening in the States, the same thing, if we take that out of that context, has different meanings, because context impacts or imparts meaning to a situation. Having the necessary understanding of these complexities is the skill set that actually allows us to become better people.